What is Epson Solutions Suite? This is the catch-all term we use to refer to software, paid applications, and services that solve all kinds of problems related to printing, copying, scanning, and faxing for our customers. By combining the Epson Solutions Suite with Epson's business inkjet products, we can provide the following 5 core values. The security to run your business with peace of mind. Streamlining operations and improving work performance. Increasing productivity by reducing the burden placed on the printing environment and ensuring stable operation of output devices. Reducing environmental impact through the resource saving and low power consumption of inkjet printers. Providing an environment that allows you to work from anywhere using IT, regardless of the location. With these values at the core of our beliefs, Epson is committed to providing business printing solutions that allow our customers to work with greater peace of mind, efficiency, and comfort. Epson's technical advisors, who are there to solve your problems with Epson's technology and services, will introduce you to our main solutions. Have you ever forgotten to pick up your printouts after you've printed them? And what if those printouts are confidential? Even if you're careful, a momentary lapse in attention can lead to information leaks. Are you worried about information security in your company? Use authenticated printing for safe and secure printing. After printing from your desk, just touch your employee ID card. You are authenticated and printing is complete. By authenticating users at the time of printing, you can reduce the likelihood of printouts being forgotten or accidentally taken by unauthorized personnel, thereby preventing information leaks. After a specified amount of time has passed, any jobs that have not been printed are automatically deleted to reduce unnecessary printing. You have a meeting with a customer and need to print in a hurry. But the multifunction printer you normally use isn't available right away. So you dash to another printer. But when you get there, someone else is using it. This is hardly an efficient way to work. In this case, use the pull printing function to print from an available printer. After printing from your desk, look for an available multifunction printer and just touch your employee ID card. You are authenticated and printing is complete. No time is wasted, so you leave with plenty of time to spare. And meet with your client on schedule. Work smarter, not harder. As long as they support this function, you can even print on different models using one printer driver. You can print from anywhere within the same intranet, and that includes other locations. Even when you aim to reduce costs and perform eco-friendly printing, email documents are getting printed single-sided and in full color. Employees are printing everything, whatever it may be. When it's left up to the individual, there is always a lot of waste and expenses tend to pile up. In that case, rule-based printing reduces costs by enforcing in-house printing rules. For example, email documents should be printed in black and white on both sides of the paper, helping to save ink and paper. You can also control the number of pages printed with controlling quota. By limiting the number of pages each employee can print, you can reduce wasteful printing. Employees can check the number of pages they have printed, which helps to raise the awareness of each employee, encouraging them to avoid wasteful printing on a daily basis. Additionally, you can use the standard reports functions to manage printing costs and the environmental reports functions to check the status of environmental initiatives. Quantifying the effectiveness of your initiatives can also help to raise employee awareness. By enforcing printing rules, you can reduce wasteful use of ink and paper. You can also reduce wasteful printing by limiting the number of pages that can be printed. By authenticating users with authenticated printing, you can prevent the user from forgetting to take their printouts or accidentally taking the wrong ones, thereby preventing information leaks. Pull printing allows you to print from any available multifunction printer without having to wait, creating a more efficient working environment. You can curb wasteful printing by using rule-based printing to force all emails to be printed in black and white using two-sided printing, or by setting a maximum number of prints for each employee. For smarter scanning, give advanced workflows a try. You can convert to the useful Searchable PDF format. Additionally, you can sort scanned data automatically to improve your work efficiency. Even if you store your data carefully, the process of scanning documents for each job and specifying where to save them is hard work and time-consuming. When you have to check the scanned data on your computer and adjust the wrong orientation, deal with unnecessary blank pages, and even rescan, you're never going to finish on time. In this case, use Scan Jobs to sort your scanned data automatically. You can register frequently used Scan Job settings, such as the destination, the file format, and so on in advance. Now, when you select the registered job settings on the multifunction printer and scan your documents, they are automatically sorted and saved to a preset folder. Smooth scanning operations make your work easier. Since the files are sorted automatically, there is no need to set the destination, file name, or transfer the files. The document is rotated automatically, so there is no need to worry about misalignments. You can delete unnecessary blank pages automatically. Sometimes you need documents to work remotely. Do you find yourself carrying around a USB memory because sharing and transferring scanned data is such a hassle? What if you accidentally drop that drive? Carrying around a USB memory can be a source of information leaks. In this case, use the Scan to Cloud function to share your data safely. On the control panel, select the predefined job settings for scanning and upload to a cloud service. You can then access your scanned data from anywhere over the internet. Now you can work with peace of mind from wherever you like. Scan to Cloud allows you to easily transfer data to cloud services such as SharePoint Server, Google Drive, Evernote, and SugarSync. What's more, you can share data to suit your needs by using features such as Scan to Email to share by email and Scan to print on another device. You want to create a new document based on an old document, but you're never going to find it in this mountain of data. However, it's also hard to create new documents from scratch. Don't you wish there was an easier way to organize your documents? You can reduce and digitize your work with the Searchable PDF scanning function to create highly searchable PDFs. You can execute pre-registered job settings in Document Capture Pro from multifunction printers. You can easily convert paper documents to searchable PDFs. Search for text or copy and paste into other files. Reduce your paper documents and keep your shelves clear of clutter. By using the optional expansion Enhanced OCR, you can convert scanned documents to Microsoft Office files. You can even make edits on the fly, so there's no need to start from scratch. Text search allows you to quickly find the information you need. Free up space by converting paper documents to PDFs to give yourself a more comfortable office. Optional expansions allow you to increase the number of supported languages and convert scanned data to Office files for secondary use. Simply select a pre-registered job setting, such as the Save Destination or File format, and then scan to automatically sort your documents. You can share your data using Scan to Cloud for secure access from anywhere. Realize a new style of working from wherever you want. Easily convert documents to searchable PDFs. You can also search for text and then copy and paste it into other files, thereby increasing your work efficiency. Reduce your paper documents and keep your workplace tidy. When working outside the office using a VPN, such as when working from home, and you try to print on your home printer, you run into restrictions, not to mention the inconvenience. It's a lot harder to use printers as freely as when you're in the office, and sometimes you have to admit defeat and head into the office. You can't work flexibly if you're limited by where you can work. In this case, use Epson Connect to print and scan comfortably from wherever you work. All you need to do is register your device in Epson Connect. Simply print from your desk using the remote printer driver, and you're done. Even when you're working from home using a VPN, you can print exactly as you need, just as if you were at the office. Furthermore, even when you're at a hotel, simply send an email from your computer with the file you want to print attached to an Epson printer, and you're done. There's no need to install a printer driver or work on a shared hotel computer. You can print securely without the risk of information leaks. With Epson Connect, you can work comfortably anytime, anywhere. When you can work anywhere you want, you can realize new working styles such as workations. As long as you have a suitable network environment, you can send printing instructions remotely or from a tablet device. The Scan to Cloud function is also useful as it allows you to upload scanned data to a cloud service and immediately share it with your team. Sometimes you can forget to pick up your printouts after you've printed them. Later on, you find a stack of single-sided full-color printed documents. But you have no idea who printed them. This is not just a problem of company information security, it is also a waste of printing costs. Even if you want to introduce authenticated printing to increase security, installing a server can be a big headache due to costs and figuring out where it will be installed. In this case, introduce serverless authenticated printing that is streamlined and secure. You don't even need to install a server. After printing from your desk, just touch your employee ID card. You are authenticated and printing is complete. You can check the logs to see who printed and how much they printed. Even after sending a print job, you can use the authenticated printing function on the control panel to change some print settings, such as the number of copies or change from color to black and white printing. You want to create a new document based on an old document, but you're never going to find it in this mountain of data, and think about the storage space. However, it's also hard to create new documents from scratch. Don't you wish there was an easier way to organize your documents? Use Searchable PDF scanning for a smooth digitization process that will improve searchability and performance. No complicated settings required. Easily convert paper documents to searchable PDF and check on your computer, search for text, or copy and paste into other files. Reduce your paper documents and keep your shelves clear of clutter. Text search allows you to quickly find the information you need. Free up space by converting paper documents to PDFs to give yourself a more comfortable office. Documents are automatically rotated, saving you time and effort. Preparing for classes, creating tests, a teacher's work is never done. Removing red notes from model answers before printing them out is a nightmare. Even sorting the tests into different classes is hard work. No matter how much time you think you have, it's never enough. Don't you wish your paperwork was easier? Try combining the handy erase red color and print sets functions to reduce the time you spend on paperwork. Leave the red notes from your model answers as they are, and simply turn on the erase red color and print sets settings. You can perform batch deletion of red notes and sort your documents with a few simple operations, and you're ready to hand them out. Use your free time to talk to your kids. To erase red notes, simply turn on the Erase Red Color function and you're done. To sort by class, simply select the Print Sets function and then enter the number of students in each class. Additionally, if you register the number of students to your favorites in advance, you don't need to set it up each time. What do you think about the solutions we have introduced? These are just a few examples, and at Epson, we are committed to providing 5 core values that will put a smile on your face.